YouTube friends and family. We are back with another video. Yep, the camera's not up tonight. Maybe tomorrow. It was another down day. It was bad. I wouldn't say a bloodbath, but it's just red. It's a sea of red. It's not looking good out there. Pounter in after hours negative 1%, 177, not $13 per share. SoFi $26.51, negative 2% in half an hour. Hood Hood 117. Which look, I can't even complain about Hood right now. I need it to stay low. I'm gonna keep saying that until the 30th. Until that's done, that play is done. Zeta, $22. Great buying opportunity. Right now, I'm not buying anything because I'm preparing for a government shutdown. If we have one, I'm not sure if we will, or some crazy news because I feel like something's gonna happen crazy. So I'm gonna wait because things are down, but it could be worse, right? Nvidia, last time we saw it was at 185. Right now it's at 182. So it's not down that much, you know. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's still good to buy Nvidia at this price because I think my average originally without the 100 shares was like 195, something like that. So great time to buy Nvidia. I did my play on Nvidia. I don't know if I told y'all that in the last video, but I did my play on Nvidia. Looks like I got more plays up here now. Yeah, so as of right now, we're positive to $84. And if Nvidia still is below 200 by February 20th, I get my $300. Zeta, by the 30th, if it's not above $28, which I don't think it will be, it's hard push for Zeta right now. I didn't do a lot. I think I'm getting like $14 on Zeta. Nothing crazy. Maybe 15. Yeah, it's at 92%. So yeah, it might be like $14. I just wanted to do something to get something off of it. Yeah, I'm getting 14. You can't see it because it's not showing on the screen. But yeah, that's what I'm getting from Zeta. Still waiting to do my SoFi play because I just feel like I'm miles away for that run. Because once it happens, I'm selling this. I was gonna hold on for longer. I just buy calls are just ugh. You know, I mean they're great. Like right now would be the time you would buy a call on something, and then, you know, when it goes green again, you sell it off. Like, but I think the market got to dip down just a little bit more. I don't want it to. I got to dip down a little bit more. Soundhound, it's actually not down. I mean, it's not my average, but it's not down. It's up actually at the hours 1%. Grab, $4.64. I think y'all know Amit. Amit believes in it. I think Grab will do something too. I think it's just going to take time for the market to notice it. So, and it was easy for me to grab these 2,000 shares. If I see theoretically, I want to grab more of it. But I have more conviction right now in Zeta than I do Grab, even though Grab is dirt cheap. It's like $4 a share. It's dirt cheap, right? But Zeta's good. So either one of those, I think there's somebody who's interested in starting stock. So I decided to put him on dividend stocks first, and then I gave him one growth stock so we can see how that works out for him. The dividend stocks and game was SCHD. As you can see, guys, when the market is down like this, SCHD be doing its thing. $28 all the way up. See, if I would have known about SCHD a little earlier, I could have had a big position in it. It's a good hedge against your portfolio. Good hedge. And they pay you a dividend every quarter. So it's not bad. Let's see. And for me, I just put $5 in every week. I think it is. Yep, $5. $5 every week. I could do more, but I just want to show people you can do a lot with a little bit and still grow your portfolio. I told him also to get QQI and SPYI so he can get a little bit more crazier dividend, and they still stay pretty stable. I told y'all I was going to start investing in that, but I'm just waiting for all these plays to be up, because then I'm going to do my play again on Palantir. I'm expecting, right, on earnings for Palantir, I'll be able to get like $2,000 for a play, because earnings, more people are trading it. Same thing for Hood, and I might do that on SoFi too, depending on how the options look getting closer to earnings. Some people don't like to play earnings. I like to play them. The earnings is on the 26th or something like that, I think. But I only play it if I can go out, sell call. And I can go out to like, what's this, 28? Nah. I like the, not right there either. And the option chain's kind of messed up right now. But I want to go to a spot where it can't hit. That's where I make some of the money on these earnings calls. I always go heavy. And I try to go to a number it's not going to really, I mean, it could hit if something crazy happens, but it hasn't happened to me yet. So it hasn't happened to me yet. And I still play kind of safe. I just, instead of getting 1,000 like I usually do, I'm able to get like 2,000. So it's pretty nice there. And as we can see, a lot of people, and this is something I'm watching, OSS, it's got a lot of hype going on right now. It's moved a lot, so if it maybe comes back down to $8, $9, I might decide to get 100 shares, start positioning it. But who knows? My conviction level is still in Zeta. Guys. Netflix is looking good, man. Netflix is another one I keep up here because I just kind of want to pull the trigger on Netflix. I might do it in my Roth. I might, but we'll see. Depending on how much money we get this year, guys. Hopefully, we can get a lot. Amcor, people are talking about Amcor. It's a good dip right now, $48. Usually it's at 52. It's been holding at 52 for a while. It might even go down more, like 45. If you're lucky. Here's QQI. See, this is why I like QQI. Let's go max, right? Or 5 years doesn't matter. Like, it started at $51, 48. We had that big tariff thing. It only went down to 43. Came right back up to 55, 52. Even in this market right here, it's at 54. So it's actually higher today on the down day. Right? It's not 55, but it's higher than it would have been. And you get a good dividend. So this stock is doing this thing. And the same thing with SPY. It's just following the SP 500. Let's go down. Meta. I just can't get down with that one. Google, I get down with Google, but it's expensive, man. Expensive. Let's see, Verizon, man. They had an outage today in my area. This is another good stock that would pay you a good I mean, it's okay dividend, but you can run options on it, so you can kind of maximize both sides of it, and it stays pretty much range bound from like, I think it's like maybe 38 to 42 or something. Let's see. Let's go by the month. Yeah, 40. Go 3 months. 41, 40, drop down to, yeah, it stays pretty like that. Pretty in that range bound. So if you got hit, it wouldn't matter. You just go on the other side, and I mean, you're not going to get crazy premium, and you're not going to get crazy dividend. But if you want to practice, that's not bad stock. I also thought SoFi was a good stock to practice the wheel on. Right now, I mean, I guess it still is a good stock to practice the wheel on right now. It's just a little expensive. I mean, so is Verizon, don't get me wrong. Verizon is even more expensive, but it's just easier to get in and out, get back in, because SoFi might just run. So, BMNR, it's doing okay, I guess. Let's see. We got Navitas. My friend loved Navitas, man. And then he got out of it. I think Navitas is still good. Let's see. Up 40%. Should you buy Navitas right now? Key points. Share Navitas Semiconductor are up nearly 200% in the past 12 months. The MidCat Tech company is a leader in Gana and some power, something. So, is this? Oh, we don't have that yet. Short interest. Yeah, I see. I did a play on Navitas. Did a buy call, and then I did another cover call here, and got $1,000 something. So it's not bad. Navitas is not bad. And let's keep going down my list. We have. Oh, let me go here. First of all, where's it at? That pass it. Oakley, $95. Where is that? APLD, 35. Iran, 51. Not bad. Not bad. Rocket Lab. This thing is just nothing stopping it right now. I mean, it got the emoji rocket ships right now. I remember when this thing, we go 5 years, it was like maybe like $10, $20, man. And this is what I'm talking about. You can load up in these areas right here, and then that a stock just takes off, and don't let you have 1,000 shares. That's it goes to $100, $100K, $100K. So there's that's what I'm trying to do now. I've got a stock to do that for 2 times, or actually, well, is it 3 times right? No, 2 times. So I'm trying to get. That's what I'm trying to do with SoFi. I want to see SoFi hit that $100 mark, which I think it can if it keeps on the same track. I think this year we'll probably see SoFi maybe at $40. If we're lucky, $50. That'd be cool. So yeah, the more shares you get, and the more conviction you have in it, and you just keep doubling down no matter what's going on, as long as the company's doing what they need to be doing, and they're winning and beating and stuff, sometimes it pays off, man. $90. Rivian, $17. Where are we going? Lunar, 19. My friend, he got hit hard on that, but now it's back up to normal. He sold it at like $10. He had like 3,000 shares. Yeah, he got hit hard on that one. He just thought it was never coming back, and now it's back up 10% today. It's crazy. And one day, oh yeah, they did their thing today. Yeah. Yeah. He got hit hard now. My friend's he's blown his account at least like 3 times already. We keep going down here. What else we got going on here, guys? App loving. I think this is one of Zeta's competitors. I mean, they're probably a lot bigger on the scale of things, but hey, if App loving can get here, I mean, I'll be happy if Zeta hits $200. I mean, this it's a long shot, but hey, I don't think he'll hit that like instantly. We got a long way to go, but if it's anything in the same world as Adobe and AppLovin and Trade Desk, then I think we can see it getting up there. Be cool to see it even at like $60 this year. That'd be dope. We already went over Lunar, Rigetti. I always tell my friend he got hit on this one too. I was telling he Rigetti. It's quantum computing stocks, IonQ, and that's back up again. I don't know what this is. I think this is C3AI. It's just not showing it. SMR is just like Oakley. They used to follow each other pretty well, and now Oakley just took off, and SMR is still at the bottom. Server box, $14. Yeah, and right now I'm at $274. Well, $1,000. $200,000. I butchered that whole thing, guys. Year to date, I'm probably negative. Oh, I'm actually positive 3%. 3%. Week down 3%. Month down 3%. 3 months down 9%. Yeah, man, I was up there, but we'll get back up there eventually. We will get back up there eventually, guys. I think that is it for this video. I'm just talking and rambling like I always do. Any questions? Just leave them in the comments, and I'll answer them. And I guess we'll just see y'all in the next video. Peace out.